I will talk about how can you add or change your email on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, you click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on personalize, you just click on it. When you just click here on personalize, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on contact email, you just click on it here. So then here you just click on it here. You remove here your email, then here add your new email. So then here add on confirm, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.